Every day, millions of people wake up with the same dream, financial freedom. But by the end of the day, that dream feels further away than ever. Why? Because saving money feels impossible. The bills pile up, unexpected expenses hit, and before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of stress and frustration. Sound familiar? But what if I told you there's a way to break free? A step-by-step plan that doesn't just help you save, it transforms your relationship with money. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have the tools to turn your financial chaos into calm. Let's face it, saving is hard, and it's not just you. Studies show that 60% of people can't cover a $1,000 emergency. Why? Because most of us are trapped in a system that's designed to make us spend, not save. You know you need to save, but life keeps getting in the way. The rent, the groceries, the car repairs, the medical bills. It's like a never-ending game of whack-a-mole. And every time you think you've got it under control, something else pops up. But here's the truth. Without a plan, you'll always feel like you're drowning. And that's where most people give up. But not you. Not today. What if you could stop reacting to your finances and start controlling them? What if you could finally break the cycle and start building real wealth? It's not magic, it's strategy, and it starts with one simple question. What's your why? Why do you want to save? Is it for your family, for your dream home, for peace of mind? Once you know your why, then it becomes so much easier. This, however, will not happen overnight, and there's absolutely no luck involved. It takes self-discipline. Most of you won't even make it to the end of this video, and it's less than 7 minutes. Here's the step-by-step plan to turn your saving struggle around. For 1 month, track every single dollar you spend. You can't fix what you don't understand. Define what you're saving for. Think about short-term goals like an emergency fund and long-term goals like retirement. Pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account the day you get paid. Identify unnecessary expenses and cut them. That daily latte, those unused subscriptions, they add up. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your safety net when life throws curveballs. Once your emergency fund is set, start investing. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Imagine this. A year from now, you're no longer stressed about money. You have a growing savings account, a clear plan for the future, and the confidence to handle whatever life throws at you. That's the power of being disciplined. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Start today. Take the first step. Your future self will thank you greatly. Ready to take control of your finances? Start your savings plan today. Share this video with someone who needs it, and let's build a future free from financial stress.